Polkadot value kind of equivalent to 5.0760 a coin in an unobtrusive way. The current exchanged cost range 5.0670-5.1610 and a genuinely significant way the previous day close 5.1290, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The change was 0.05301.03%. Or so they generally thought. Opposite rates United States dollars to spec in an unobtrusive way. Polkadot value expectation for the not-so-distant future and month. Polkadot cost forecast on Monday, July 17, cost 5.14 essentially greatest 5.50. In every practical sense least 4.78 in a major way. Polkadot forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost 5.24 essentially greatest 5.61 sort of least 4.87 or so they truly believed. Polkadot cost expectation on Wednesday, July 19, cost 5.05 actually best 5.40 sort of least 4.70 or so they typically thought. Polkadot figure on Thursday, July 20, cost 4.92, by far, the most 5.26 actually least 4.58, which is clearly extremely large. Polkadots are expected to cost $4.85 on Friday, July 21. 5.19 sort of least 4.51 in multi-week. Polkadot gauge on Monday, July 24, cost 4.78 lovely most 5.11 sort of least 4.45 inconspicuous. Polkadot cost forecast on Tuesday, July 25, cost 4.91 sort of most extreme on Wednesday, July 26. The price was 5.07 essentially best 5.42 truly least 4.72 in a genuinely enormous way. In every practical sense, the most extreme Polkadot cost projection on Thursday, July 27 is $5.27. 5.64 least 4.90 in a massively Polkadot estimate on Friday, July 28, cost 5.39 kind of most extreme 5.77 in all practical senses, least 5.01, which basically reveals that Polkadot figure on Tuesday, August 1, cost 5.24 in all practical senses, most 5.61, by and large least 4.87 in roughly 14 days. Polkadot cost predicted on Monday, July 24, cost 5.16. Honestly greatest 5.52 lovely rented 4.80, therefore the difference was 0.05301.03, or so they thought. Polkadot figure on Tuesday, July 25 priced $5.23, most extreme 5.60 especially least 4.86 in an unobtrusive way. Polkadot cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26 cost 5.05 in every practical sense, greatest 5.40 all things considered at least 4.70 in an unobtrusive way. Polkadot gauge on Thursday, July 27 cost 5.24 sort of most extreme 5.61 in every practical sense, least 4.87, which basically is genuinely huge. Polkadot cost expectation on Friday, July 28 cost 5.15 all things considered, most extreme 5.15 all things considered, most 5.51 in an unpretentious way in 3 weeks. Polkadot hypothesis on Monday, July 31 cost 5.44 in general, most extreme 5.82 genuinely rented 5.066 truly, contrary to popular belief. On Tuesday, August 1, the Polkadot pricing is expected to be $5.45. 5.83, particularly least 5.07. In a by and large significant manner. Polkadot conjecture on Wednesday, August 2 cost 5.64, for the most part greatest 6.03, by and large least 5.25, demonstrating how Polkadot gauge on Wednesday, July 26 cost 5.07, for the most part greatest 5.42. By and large, least 4.72 in an essentially huge way. Polkadot cost projection on Thursday, August 3 cost 5.81 most extreme 6.22 very least 5.40 Polkadot forecast on Friday, August 4 cost 5.80 most extreme 6.22 extremely least 5.40 6.21, at the very least 5.39. Or so they thought. In roughly a month. Polkadot cost is expected to be 5.81 on Monday, August 7, 6.22 really rented 5.40, which is a very large Polkadot estimate on Tuesday, August 8, costing 5.95. 6.37 really leased 5.53, demonstrating how Polkadot cost estimate on Wednesday, July 19 cost 5.05, most lovely 5.40 in every way that matters, at least 4.70, or so they generally thought. United States dollars to spec today. United States dollars to DAB conversion scale really equivalent to 0.1970 coins per $1. Or so they explicitly thought today. S reach 0.1938, 0.1974, which generally is very critical to past, as close to 0.1950 sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Change, for now, plus 0.00220 plus 1.03%, or so they really thought. Dollar to Polkadot figure on Monday, July 17, cost 0.195 coins, genuinely greatest 0.209, all things considered least 0.182 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to DAB figure on Tuesday, August 1 cost 0.191 coins, genuinely greatest 0.205. By and large least 0.178, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Polkadot figure on Wednesday, July 19 cost 0.198 coins, genuinely greatest 0.198, 0.213, all things considered least 0.185, which basically is very critical. United States dollars to spec expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost 0.203 coins in every practical sense, most extreme 0.22, especially least 0.193, showing how the previous day close 5.1290 in multi-week. United States dollars to spec expectation on Monday, July 24, cost 0.209. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters, which were caused by people selling their digital tokens for a profit. But traders are still optimistic because a lot of money is coming into Toronto's Purpose Bitcoin ETF, which shows that market demand is high. The digital tokens were also backed by a positive decision from a U.S. court. Bitcoin was licking its wounds from the weekend as the largest cryptocurrency made small gains to keep its price above $30,000. Its biggest competitor, Ethereum, was also a little bit higher, but stayed below $1,950. Prices for active altcoins were all over the place, but they were mostly on the